And a lot of what I'm going to do at the beginner course is I try to think back when I was a student. This goes back a long way. The early to late 80s was when I was doing art school. And so I'm thinking back to some of my favorite exercises where I really learned some of the key principles, or what helped me, I guess, to advance quickly. And so some of them are just fun. All right, let me show you one. This right here is, you probably can't see it very well, but that was a white plastic knife and a photograph that I took of flowers outside of our home. So I glued the white plastic knife to this photograph, and then I painted it. I'm not going to have these the same way that we do the videos for my gallery paintings, because that's not the point of these. I don't need to teach you how to paint a knife like that. What I'm going to do is show you some of these exercises and give you examples of it. We were going to do a separate course because people were asking for a beginner's course. And so that just naturally we thought, okay, well, we've got the master course, we've got the plein air course, we'll do a beginner's course. That's what we intended to do all the way up until, what, a month ago? And then we suddenly realized that's not where we want our focus to be. We don't want to have products galore for people to have to choose between. The membership site is really what our focus is. That's where we want to devote the majority of our time and energy. And we want it to be accessible, our products to be very accessible to people all over the world. And there are a lot of countries that the $30 a month seems like, that's a fortune. So even though we've kept it as as small a price as we can possibly go and still maintain everything. So we just thought, you know what, instead of a course, we're going to put the beginner videos. We want to do them, but we're going to just start adding them to the membership site.